Hello watch fans, birth year watches here, and when we press this little button you can see this is a Zenith pocket watch in its original box. Now quite remarkable that it's still got its box, but remarkable for a couple of other reasons too. The movement inside this watch was first in production from 1905 and ran all the way to 1982. That's some going. You imagine a car in 1905 running in 1982. Now it's a base metal case, manual wind movement. The movement also has shock protection on the balance, which is unusual on a pocket watch, but a very good thing to have. The bow is just that right stiffness, that it's not fixed, it's just got the friction fitting. This flat onion crown makes it very easy to wind, pleasure to wind. The case back, and then inside you've got the dust cover, and this case is a Zenith case as well. Lots of pocket watches you might find in anonymous cases where the gold case was scrapped, and then as they've become more valuable again, the movement's put into a plain case. This case is stamped for Zenith with the serial number that shows it's from 1964. Now that's quite late for a pocket watch. It would have been almost a novelty then, but it's a timeless piece. There are one or two small marks on the dial. We've taken a photo with the glass off to show them best we can on the website. This is a good representation. Yes, there are a couple of marks, but you're going to have to look closely to see it. This video also shows those beautiful blue spade hands. They're not painted blue, they're heat treated blue. Very good. A couple of small marks on the back where the case has been opened. The hinge is strong, but yeah, it's a good example and lovely to have in its box. Thanks for watching. The link is in the comments below.